So I got the setup here. I'll show you this in a minute. I just got my camera situated.
The thing I was using was a magnet on the end here.
Second piece. So what I was doing is these two forks on the side were wanting to pop out. So I was just putting a C-clamp on the end here just to slightly hold it into place while I put tension on the spring. And came out. And again, this is just a little $12 spring compressor at Harbor Freight. Just remember to keep your springs and valves all in order. Got them. Exhaust number 3 with the valve, the spring, and the parts in the bottom there. See how this goes? Just got them all out here. Numbered them all up in baggies, each individual for exhaust and intake. Now I just got to get all these little valve seals out of here. We'll see how that's. All right, so I'm removing the valve stem seals, and I do not have the puller specialized for that. So I've just been using these pliers here without doing any damage, you know, being very careful to the surrounding areas. I gave them all a twist like this to break loose, and then let's see if I can do this on camera here. Just by twisting and pulling up, there we are. Didn't do no damage to anything. Just a little tidbit of information. And here we go. All the valves are out, springs are out, valve stem seals are out. Just gonna clean it up. And wait for the parts to come in. All right, so I took the JB weld off, went over to a buddy's and got a stick of aluminum. You just heat it up with a torch and melt it into the hole. You can see where the hole was there, where that came through. Just got to clean it up, grind it down. Turned out all right. These, just been busy working on this, getting everything cleaned up. Still got to paint some parts, and right now, just doing the block here. Got the primer on it for now. And start painting all these parts before the actual rebuild kit gets here. That way it's ready to go. Just a little update. All right, and here's the update on the timing chain cover. Just filed it down a little bit, made it smooth. That way it don't get in the way of anything. Those sticks are pretty nice, work out pretty good. Still got to finish cleaning it up. If you remember what it looked like, it was horrible. Okay, just got the block painted up. Took off a few of the mounts, painted those same color. Painted the screw heads. I wanted to keep the KA24 number there, so I take that off. That's the update so far.